they're gonna step on down here with us and join us. We're gonna do a little chant here.
Here we go. Ready?
All right, so this is what I want you guys to do, okay? All right, so on the count of 3, we're all gonna say, "Let's fly drones." But we're not just gonna say it, we're gonna shout it. We're gonna use our outside voices even though we're inside, okay? That sound good? Can we all do that? Great, all right. On the count of 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's fly drones! 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 That's what I'm talking about, guys. Thank you for the energy. Here we go. The question is, true or false? Drones are banned at U.S. national parks. I saw your hand up first, young lady. True or false? They're not allowed in the park? So, true or false? They're not, right? True, right? I'm gonna give you a prize. I think you deserve a prize. Let's clap it up for her. And then we also have some stickers for you as well. Let's give out some stickers to our nice award winner. This one's a little bit more tricky. But it's still true or false. That's a little bit more tricky. All right. True or false? U.S. consumers must register their drones with the FAA.
Blows your mind, right?
I think I saw your hand up first. True, yes, that's right. Congratulations, everybody. Give him a round of applause. Woo! Let's give him a wristband. Wristband for the drone man. That's what I'm talking about. All right, moving right along here. All right. Let me read it first.
What's good, Oracle?
All right.
There you go, baby.
I saw you first, but I'm going to read the question and then I'll let you answer, okay? True or false? In the U.S., it is illegal to fly a drone over other people. I saw her hand up first. What's the answer?
Meanwhile.
True. It is illegal to fly a drone over other people. Congratulations.
Mommy, you're doing it right now.
Exactly.
Well, you're doing it right now.
Ooh.
We're doing it. You're doing
Yeah,
it
but
right
we're
now.
inside a private place, and you know, and it's me. You know, I don't mind if the drone flies over me. All right, this one is kind of tricky. Kind of tricky. It says, as of 2016, the FAA limits consumer drones to what maximum altitude? I think I saw your hand first. Shout it out loud. That close. Close. Yes. Shout it out.
Hey!
400, yes! Congratulations, great job. Let's get him a wristband. Thank you. Oh, come on, Tony. What are you doing, man?
My bad.
All right, yes, 400 feet, everyone, 400 feet. Okay. Uh-oh, another one with a number in it. Man, you guys are so quick. Really? What's the answer? Actually, it's the answer. You answered it. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. That was really good. All right, so per FAA rules, what's the maximum ground speed of a consumer drone? And what's your name, young man? Yuhan said 100 miles per hour. He jumped on it right before anyone else. I got to give it to you, man. Congratulations. Wow. You caught me off guard. Man, these young people. What are you guys eating, man? Look at that. All right. This one gets even tougher. The FAA's 2016 regulations rule that consumer drone pilots must be what minimum age? All right, I saw your name. What's your name? Julia. Okay, and what is the minimum age? Unfortunately, that is not correct. I'm so sorry. I still think you're amazing, though. Who else? What's the minimum? Yes, what's your name? Mira. What's the minimum age? 18. Unfortunately, that is not the answer. I'm so sorry. Yes, what is your name? Mendel. Okay, what do you think that minimum age is? 15. Unfortunately, no, that is not the right answer.
So close.
Come on, come on. Who's got the answer? Who's got it? Yes, yes, yes. What's your name? Owen, what is the minimum age? And unfortunately, no.
Getting colder.
That's not the right answer.
We were warm. This little guy, who's that?
All right, let's see. All right, let's see. We're gonna have to get the most energetic person.
Oh!
Who is the most energized person? Who is the hypest person? Okay, you're very close to me. I don't know if you're actually louder than everybody. You're just really close. What's your name? Kenan. Kenan. All right, what is that minimum age? 16 years old. That was correct.
Ding, 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 ding.
Kenan. Nice job, man. All right, here we go. Oh, okay. How many of you guys like money? Oh, already? You guys shouldn't care about money yet. You guys are kids. Come on. Money? Okay. How much does it cost to register a drone with the FAA? Who wants to answer this one? Who wants it? Who really wants it? Yes. What is your name?
Sebastian.
Sebastian. How much does it cost?
$500?
$500. Unfortunately, that is way too expensive, man. Also,
I thought he was saying.
yes. What is your name?
Rowan.
Rowan? Yeah. Okay. What does that cost?
$100?
$100. Unfortunately, that is way too expensive, man. Close. Who wants to answer this question? You want to answer this question. What's your name?
Mayor.
Mayor? Nice, man. What is the minimum cost? $5. That is correct.
$5. That's
You can
cheap.
register a drone for only $5. Isn't that cool?
Cheap.
Only $5. All right, this is the last question. So we have to get some more energy here. Hey, let me not share the
Who won it?
answer.
Who got it?
So Magic.
Did he get one? Did he get one?
Let's get some hype for this last question. You want to make sure that we do some really cool stuff. Let's get everybody standing on their
Stand up.
Everybody on their feet.
On your feet.
On your feet. On your feet. Everybody on your feet.
Last question.
All right, now before we do that, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a chant. I'm gonna say, what do you want to do? And everyone's gonna say, ride the Magic Cool Bus. Is that okay? All right. So what do you want to do? Ride the Magic Cool Bus. Okay? All right. You guys ready? You guys ready? We good? We ready? All right, kids. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I said, what do you want to do? Hey, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Now one more time, we're gonna do our big chant. All right, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's fly drones. Let's fly drones. Let's fly drones. Let's fly drones. Hey, let's fly drones. Yeah. Okay. And our final question. Final question. Oh, whoa, okay, whoa. You guys, let me answer the question first. Come on. What does FAO? Oh, yeah, that's the question. What does FAA stand for? What does FAA stand for? Okay, what's your name? Rohan.
We got Rohan, didn't we? Another Rohan?
Federal Aeronautics Administration. Unfortunately, that is really close, but it is not it.
Really
Very close. Very close. Very close.
What about him with the goggles on?
What about with the
Close
goggles?
again, but no. Okay.
He looks like he's
Oh yeah. I love your glasses, man. What's your name? Hold on. What's your name? Ben.
Aviation Association.
Federal Aviation Association. Close, but not quite. Close, but not quite. Okay, you look like you really want to answer this question, but I think he also wants to answer this question too. Give you a chance. Yes, what's your name, sweetheart? Lisa? Lisa! Okay, what does FAA stand for?
Say it. She is. Say it.
not know stuff. We all don't know stuff. All right, what's your name,
Lisa.
man?
Okay.
Sebastian.
Sebastian, you already answered the question, man. All right.
Hey, Lisa.
Let me get
Lisa.
someone else who hasn't answered a chance. Yes, hello. What's your name?
Anika.
Anika. Hey, what do you think FAA stands for?
Association.
Close, but not
Very
quite.
close.
All right, come on. This one must be really tough, Yes, what is your name? Christian. What does the FAA stand for?
Federal Application Association.
Oh, close.
Oh, no.
Yes, what's your name? E. And what does FAA stand for, E?
Science.
Science! No,
Yay!
unfortunately no. Close but not quite. What is your name? What did you say? Unfortunately no, that's very close but not quite. Yes. Come on, it's one word off.
One word off.
Yes.
Federal Aviation Administration.
Congratulations, it is Federal Aviation Administration. Great job. You win. And guess what?
My bad. Sorry about that.
Here with the thank you. And here with the magic crew of us, we have a lot of wristbands. We have a lot of people that we want to share this with.
Does everyone participate? Heads
So,
up.
if you guys give me enough energy one more time, we might give away a few more wristbands. What do you guys think? A few more? All right. I need some energy though. If you guys want a wristband, let's get some energy. Come on, here we go. Don't hurt yourselves, be careful. All right. Here we go. That ended poorly. That's why I'm a scientist. All right, we're gonna do one more big one. We're gonna do one more big one. We need energy though. We need energy. We need high energy. Come on, let's go. All right, let's go. All right. On the count of three, let's throw them all up. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys so much for joining.
Yes.
Thank you guys so much.
That was good.
Wait, why is